give you some happy days. Shining future will be right there. Bright lights give you some lovely days. Shining future will be soon there. Take hands each other and go ahead with your heart. Twala-la, twala-la, future was bright light. Twala-la, twala-la, future was bright light. Twala-la, twala-la, future was bright light. Twala-la, twala-la, twala-la. Look at what you're saying, light. Close your eyes and feel the brightness. It's supposed to be in your hand. Make it better in the future. Twala-la, twala-la, future was bright light. Future. Twala-la.
This will not only save you from the clutter of having another device, but also bring great convenience to your life, allowing all family members to easily access your garage. Keep in mind that garages are one of the most accessed rooms of your home. Instead of paying $30 to $40 per garage door remote, you can have as many garage door openers as the smartphones in your household at no additional expense once you own Open Sesame. Open Sesame is very easy to set up and fun to use. Let's have a closer look. Security first, and Open Sesame is exactly that. No one else can pair your smartphone without the QR security code and a setup password. In other words, just saying Open Sesame is not enough to open the garage.
Open Sesame!
Your Open Sesame comes in a box ready for setup. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps and you're done. Download the app from iTunes App Store or Google Play to your smartphone. Go to your Settings tab. Hold Open Sesame next to your mobile phone. Scan the QR security code and enter the password. The QR code and password specific to your Open Sesame device can be found in the instructions. Connect Open Sesame to your garage door's control box by tying its wires to the matching colored wires on the control box. Open Sesame can function up to 100 feet. With its long battery life, once it's set up, it will be a seamless part of your daily life.
Hi, this is Hillary from Blue, and let's check out Snowball Ice. Snowball Ice is a plug-and-play USB microphone for recording everything from instruments to vocals to podcasts, live streaming, or even dictation. As a plug-and-play USB microphone, Snowball Ice connects directly to the USB port on your laptop or desktop computer, and without having to download any other drivers or software, will work with your favorite recording program. Snowball Ice features a condenser mic capsule. A condenser capsule delivers the rich, detailed audio you typically find in studio recordings. Snowball Ice has also been tested by engineers and awarded Skype certification for the ultimate clarity on your Skype calls. Snowball Ice also records directly in front or in cardioid for single source or single person recordings. Snowball Ice comes with an adjustable desktop stand, but also has a standard thread on the bottom for mounting to a traditional mic.
Create a colourful world. Don't worry, you won't need an electrician. In the box you'll find your 2-meter light strip and a power adapter. The self-adhesive back and flexibility mean that Yeelight light strip can be placed anywhere, on any surface. Remove the backing from the light strip and fit firmly in place. If the light strip is too long, just cut at any of the easy cut points. The power adapter cable is 3 meters long, so you can position your light strip where you like. Connect the power adapter like this, plug in and switch on. Nice, hey? Grab your phone and head over to the App Store. Search Yeelight and download the free app. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Tap to search for your light strip and give it a name. Control up to 10 different lights from the app, each with 16 million colours. Set timers to adjust the light for the time of day. Add music. Disco mode helps turn your home into a party. Or just let those colours flow. Lighting for everyone and for every occasion. On the stairs, Yeelight shows the way, making your home contemporary.
Bobby, bad dog, don't do that.